In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your ClassPass account with your calendar. We'll be doing this inside Google Chrome, starting from your ClassPass account dashboard, and then heading into the right settings area to find the calendar sync option. This is a simple process, but it helps to move carefully so you don't miss the correct menu. To begin, open Chrome and log into your ClassPass Fitness Booking account. Once you're signed in, make sure you've landed on your profile dashboard. This is the main area where you can review your account activity and access personal settings. If the page looks busy, don't worry, we're only using it as the starting point. From there, navigate directly to your personal account profile settings page. Depending on the layout you see, this may be accessed through your profile icon or account menu. The goal is to open the settings area connected to your personal user account, not a booking page or class details page. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct section before continuing. Once you're inside the settings area, look carefully for the item labeled Sync to my calendar or Manage external calendars. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of the site or any recent interface updates, but it should be clearly related to calendar connections or external calendar management. When you find that option, select it to continue. This is the section where ClassPass provides tools for linking your bookings with a calendar service so your scheduled classes can be easier to track alongside the rest of your day. If you don't see it immediately, scan the page slowly and check for expandable sections or account preference categories. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to stay focused on the labels rather than the exact page design, since websites can change their layout over time. If needed, pause briefly on each screen and read the menu items carefully. That will usually help you find the correct setting faster than clicking around at random. After opening the calendar sync or external calendar area, you'll be in the right place to continue with your calendar connection options. At this stage, the most important part is simply reaching the correct settings section from your ClassPass dashboard. That's it for this walkthrough. You've opened Chrome, signed into your ClassPass dashboard, navigated to your personal settings, and located the Sync to My Calendar or Manage External Calendars option.